Hey friends, who's hungry? I love the taste of baked oysters swimming in garlic butter, but I hate shucking the shells. Let me show you how I make this tasty appetizer easily in a muffin pan. In a medium saucepan, melt half a cup of butter over medium heat. Add half a cup of chopped green onions, 5 cloves of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, 1½ teaspoons of dried thyme, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Saute the butter for 2 more minutes, then add 1 ounce of white wine. Stir the ingredients continuously and continue to saute until the green onions are soft. Remove the saucepan from the heat and allow the garlic butter to cool for 3 minutes. Then add an additional ½ cup of butter to the sauce. Stir until the butter is melted and the sauce has a creamy consistency. Place 1 oyster in the center of each cup in a muffin pan. If your oysters are too large, you may need to cut them in half. Ladle 1 tablespoon of the garlic butter sauce on top of each oyster. Then bake in a 350-degree oven for 5 to 7 minutes until the butter begins to bubble and the oysters start to rise. Remove the pan from the oven and top each oyster with a bit of shredded Parmesan cheese. Cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes until the cheese is melted. Serve the oysters immediately with warm toasted French bread for dipping. Looking for more holiday recipes? Be sure to follow me.